We are in the first postgraduate show of CCI in this new building that we've opened up in Eagle Wharf. It's in Peckham. It is a building that will host a community incubator and also all future shows for the CCI.
The reason it's important for students to have a showcase is simply because it gives them a chance to share their work with the public and look attractive to potential employers. And I also think that it just is a good capstone moment for them to wrap up their course and say goodbye to each other.
The title of my work is The Delight. It's about the interactive music visualization stuff with the DMX light. Basically, you just play the piano, play the MIDI keyboard, and the light will react when you're playing. I also do a little bit of machine learning stuff to train how to let the moving head rotate. And when you're pressing with a different velocity, it will change a different color. And also, you hit on the different pitch, you are changing the pattern as well.
So the project I'm presenting today is a small interactive sculpture that is running a couple of machine learning models that are generating sounds based on sounds taken from nature and also Hungarian folk music. One of the most exciting things about sharing work is always getting unexpected reactions from people. So you can always kind of imagine what people might do when they come to your install, or you might imagine what they'll do even if you tell them what it's meant to be doing. But oftentimes I experience people doing completely unexpected things or having reactions that, I would never have thought of. So I'm very looking forward to that very much.
The students in the MA are a bit of a mix of artistic folks and tech folks, and there's a lot of interest in doing kind of more academic research type work. And so it's not the kind of work that would have to be exhibited at a kind of degree show in an art school, but those students who are doing some more of that academic research type work have to really think about how can they present their work in a way that is going to be compelling in the context of all this flashy, artificial, virtual intelligence stuff going on around them in the degree show.
This project is titled Protect, and it's been what I've been working on all through my MA. The whole aim of the project for me is to really highlight the process of building these futures together inside and outside of physical and online spaces. So I created a chatbot which is part of the project, and all of the answers from that were collated, analysed and used to write initial manifesto. And then I took this into the offline world and hosted a workshop to invite people to critique that manifesto, and then we rewrote the manifesto together, and that's what you can see here today.
So my background's with data and data justice, and text is one of the most common forms of data. And with all these new text generation AI things, there's a lot of meaning we're placing on that where it shouldn't be, because this text is without context. It doesn't mean anything. We're just putting the value on it. And so I think it's really important to consider the context, also in data things, and now with text.
CCI gives to students the opportunity to experiment with and learn about computing, about creative computing, so how is computing used in creative industries. And it also gives them the skills and the critical ability to shape the world with technology.
CCI has really helped me develop my artistic practice, first by helping me build my confidence as an artist, and by showing me sort of the way to combine technical research with an artistic end goal, with the knowledge that the end goal is always for the creation of the art. The course is very intense. You're kind of learning a new framework and a new technology every week, and at the time it's happening, it seems absolutely insane, and then by the end you kind of can appreciate the value of having that exposure, and then being able to just kind of pick and choose which technologies make sense for your end goal is a really awesome privilege to have.
Industry comes back to us and tells us that they find our graduates can very readily lead programs and projects, and they are very much sought after because of that ability, not only to be technical, but also to be able to connect across what a project needs and all the people in the team to deliver successfully.